The hidden world of bees. Bees live in a hidden world that many people do not see, and this world is full of amazing details that help our planet. They spend their days flying from flower to flower, collecting nectar that they turn into sweet and useful honey. Each bee has a special job inside the hive, and this helps the colony work like a strong and organized community. Some bees clean the hive, while others take care of the young bees to make sure they grow healthy. The queen bee is the leader, and she lays all the eggs that will become the next generation of bees. Without her, the hive cannot survive or continue its important work. Bees are also great helpers of nature because they pollinate plants and allow fruits and vegetables to grow. When a bee visits a flower, it carries small pieces of pollen that help new plants come to life. This simple action has a big impact on farms, gardens, and the food that people eat every day. Many scientists say that bees are some of the most important creatures on Earth because of this powerful job. Without bees, many plants would disappear and animals would lose a main source of food. This is why protecting bees is important for every person and every country in the world. Inside the hive, bees communicate with each other using a special dance that shows where flowers can be found. This dance is called the waggle dance, and it helps bees work together in a smart and efficient way. The hive is warm, dark, and full of energy as bees move around doing their jobs with great focus. They create honeycombs made of wax, which hold honey, pollen, and baby bees in small, perfect hexagon shapes. The honey they make is delicious, but it also helps bees survive long winters and difficult times when there are few flowers. Everything inside the hive is organized to keep the colony safe and strong. Today, bees face many dangers that come from pollution, chemicals, and the loss of natural places where they live. People can help bees by planting flowers, avoiding harmful sprays, and learning more about how bees support life on our planet. When we protect bees, we also protect the food we eat and the beauty of nature around us. Bees may be small, but they have a powerful role that connects all living things in a big and beautiful cycle. Understanding their hidden world helps us appreciate how magical and important bees truly are. The more we learn about bees, the better we can work to keep them safe for future generations. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.